जो सीरीज आई थी Amazon पर Inside Edge जो आपने प्रोड्यूस
Acha sir, before you ask that question, we are here to celebrate color. Let's celebrate color. Let's not move out of this hatke.
Just
Let's
a no-
celebrate the sukoon ka rang.
जैसे नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन, क्या उसकी नया सीजन आने वाला है और क्या आप भी किसी वेब सीरीज में कभी नजर आएंगे, क्योंकि आजकल बहुत बड़े बड़े
जी
एक्टर्स
मैं पहले जो सवाल आपने पूछा था उसका जवाब दे देता हूँ कि इनसाइड एज का सीजन 2 डेफिनेटली बनेगा. दैट इज वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस. और विल आई बी इन एनी वेब सीरीज और नॉट, दैट रिमेन्स टू बी सीन. विल डिस्कस दैट ऑन एट सम अदर टाइम इफ दैट्स ओके. What does the role of color play in my life?
Plays in your life, yeah.
Well, I mean, it's really depending on what your mood is, of course. But everything around us that we create, especially for ourselves, has some element of color in it, because you choose for it to make you feel a certain way every time you experience it or you look at it. So be it your home, be it your car, be it the clothes that you wear, be it when you're designing a set, there's always an emotion that goes behind it. And you're celebrating that emotion within you, and that color is, I think, a manifestation of what that emotion means to you and what that object means to you.
Yeah, Farhan, I would like to ask that heartwood is representing the rawness, serenity, along with the feeling. How would you describe in your creative power, because you're very good at it, and your association, of course, and that you are representing today, the feeling, the mood that has caught it.
Right.
Yeah.
Over the years we've done, there have been different colors. In Colors of the Year, we've had gold, once a similar kind of shade of gold. Then there was denim as well. And they represented different things. I think what is very nice about this color is that it represents, to me, a certain earthiness, which I do like very much. And I think it is a time in the world, given everything that's going on, that people really need to find a certain grounding, find a certain rootedness, find some peace, reconnect with the environment around them. And to me, it represents all those things. There's a certain inside-outside feel to this color, but yet at the same time, it's not fiery. It's kind of cool. It's serene. And I think the right word would be it would help you create a sanctuary. I think that's really the nice word.